Hi, my name's Gosney. We live in a 400-year-old farmhouse in a village in South Yorkshire. The reasons we chose secondary glazing was because we had a bit of a noise problem with the house being right on the road. We researched a lot of different products, and to be honest, we weren't coming up with any good answers until we discovered Granada. Granada were perfect because they answered all our performance issues and, very importantly, the aesthetic reasons. The differences it's made to our house is that the traffic noise has gone virtually 100%. And really good added benefit with having old windows, there was a significant heat loss and draft coming into the house. That's eliminated totally. The windows look absolutely amazing. You wouldn't even know that we got secondary glazing. And a good testimony to that was when we had family over for dinner, they didn't even know we'd had them installed. What they did notice was how quiet it was in the house. One issue that we did have is that the windows are painted in a historic colour, so we didn't want a white secondary glazing. But Granada had an option for that. We just told them the RAL colour, and they've done a really close match to the existing windows. The whole process from start to finish was amazing. Granada put us in touch with a local installer who were extremely professional. They actually helped us with the choice of the unit that we ended up installing. When I wanted to understand more about the product, they actually arranged for me to visit Granada's factory, which was amazing. I could actually feel, touch, and understand the quality of the product. The installer kept us informed on the production of the units and gave us a date for install, which they kept. And during the actual day, there was no mess, no mistakes. It was a perfect installation. I definitely recommend secondary glazing to other people, providing, of course, they use a professional manufacturer and an experienced installer. I've loved this product so much, I'm now going to install it in the rest of my house. The main reasons being noise reduction, thermal loss, and the beautiful look of the product.